Those gold types are disgusting. I agree.
Yeah, I'll just leave later.
I still can believe that.
Can you guys please stop? Look at her, guys. She's a trash. Why are you still forcing yourself here in school, huh? You're not welcome here.
Why are you doing this to me? I didn't do anything. Are you jealous of me because of French?
Hell no! You will never be good enough.
You'll never be as good as me. You're just insecure because no one will ever love you the way they love you. Why are you doing this to me? What did I do?
I'm sorry. I'm so guilty. I have so many bad things to you.
All I want is to live a normal life in this university. My mom has been in a hospital since last week. I failed my exam. I can barely eat or sleep because of my mom. And now, people are bullying me without any valid reason.
We're really sorry for what we've done to you. I didn't mean that. Please forgive me, Bernadette.
Forgive me, Bernadette. I'm sorry for what I said. Forgive me.
I'm not like others who keep revenge. My mom told me not to get revenge despite what did they do to me. I forgive easily.
Are you okay now? What do you think? Tell me what's bothering you.
I'm okay, just that I keep thinking about my mom. She's sick.
I'll help you.
How? We're just a student. We can't give her money because we're also broke.
What do you mean? I'm rich. I told my mom and dad to help Bernadette.
Don't be shy.